Hello there everybody. Today we will be learning about arithmetic operators and also assignment operators in Java using this one exercise, which is, let's say, a little bit weird, but I'm sure you'll get the entire concept of it at once. So what I decided to do was take up a story, and through that story we will try and understand the entire concept. So sit back and let's make our way through understanding operators, that is arithmetic and assignment. So as you can see on your right hand side, that is, I have this little para ready for you, and we'll try and go through it and code side by side. So let's go through the first few lines. There was a man who had the power to make one wish. Now this one wish is going to be important later on in the story. And he had 5 sandwiches. 3 cheese sandwiches and 2 veg. Okay, take any random sandwiches that you like. And there were 7 hungry kids waiting for the sandwiches. So 5 sandwiches but 7 kids. So he decided to give away 2 cheese sandwiches and 2 veg. So we'll start coding from this point of view. Let's create a variable that let's say is man is equal to 5. Okay, let's say the person has 5 sandwiches. Hence, we'll create an integer variable int man is equal to 5. Next, he gives away 2 cheese and 2 veg. So what do we have to do? We have to subtract it. Hence, it becomes our first simple arithmetic operator, that is minus. Also, before that, this is the assignment operator. One of the assignment operators equal to. I'll keep commenting beside here so that you can take notes. That's the assignment operator. Equal to. Next, you have man is equal to. You are overwriting it by man minus 4. 2 cheese, 2 veg. Hence, the value of man is now 1. Okay. Let's put this print statement so that it'll be beneficial for you all to understand later on. So what I'm saying is he is now left with 1 sandwich or sandwiches. Next, after that he was left with 1. That is your subtraction. Okay, let's go ahead and comment. Minus, that is arithmetic. Okay. This is your very basic operators that we use in mathematics. Okay, nothing difficult with that. Now what happens is, come back to the story. But one kid returned 1 veg and asked for a cheese. So now since he was returned 1 sandwich, we need to increment it because now he will have 2 sandwiches. So man is equal to man plus 1. He got 1 back. And there you go. You have another arithmetic operator, that is the plus sign. Okay. Next, let's go ahead and give another print statement. Okay, so now that he got back 1, he returns another cheese, right? So what you can do is simply say man is equal to man minus 1, right? So he got back 1 and he gave 1 again. Now that you see, we are writing man is equal to man minus 1 minus 4, all of this so many times. What if I want to shorten this? Do you think we can do that? Well, yes you can. Instead of writing man twice, what you can simply do is man minus is equal to 1. This simply is the short output of man is equal to man minus 1. And this is where you get in your idea of assignment operators. So you had your first assignment operators equal to, and you add, let's say you concatenate assignment, the equal to symbol, and your arithmetic operator gives you assignment operators. Okay, as simple as that. So man minus is equal to 1. Similarly, you have other assignment operators, that is plus is equal to. Just remember operator then equal to sign. Then you have minus is equal to, multiplication is equal to, and division is equal to. Alright, you can use this as and when you want it. Lastly, let's go ahead and give this a print. Okay. Alright, now that he gave away 1, This is the time to make his wish. With 3 children remaining, he decided to use his wish for them, and he multiplied the one last veg sandwich into 3. So, let's go ahead and use our multiplication operator. So, as you guessed it, this is very simple. I just wanted to try and make it a little bit interesting for you all. Okay, so into 3, and let's go ahead and print this. And then he has to give away those 3, right? So, man, let's use minus is equal to 3. Now that we know our basic minus operator. Okay, so he will be left with 0, right? Now what happens is, okay, a twist in the plot. Just when the last child was about to eat her sandwich, another boy came running for food. He requested the girl to share her sandwich with him, and she gladly divided it into half, okay, and they both ate it. End of story. Okay, so what do you think we should do? Let's take a float variable this time, because we have to divide the last sandwich, and integers will not work in this case because you might get a decimal point. So float, and you have kid is equal to, let's say, 1 sandwich divided by 2. And since this is float, remember to put your F symbol in here to denote that it is of the type float and not the default type double. And that's it. Let's go ahead and give a last print statement. I guess that should be the end of our exercise. And you have finished maximum of your arithmetic operators and all your assignment operators. Let's say the last sandwich was divided into, and to that I'll use the concatenating symbol, which is the same as your arithmetic operator plus. So please do not get confused. Use it as and when you want it. So, and you concatenate that with kid. All right. And that's it. We're done. Let's go ahead and run this. So this was basically all for today. Let's go and run this. Then I'll tell you all what we'll be doing next time. Okay, let's show us the output. Okay, and there you go. You have 1, 2, 1, 3, and finally 0. And the last one was divided into 0.5. Now, please be careful. The F symbol is very important. And now there is one operator, arithmetic operator, that is left for you all to understand. That is the mod operator. Okay, you call it the modulus. All right, and this basically gives you all the remainder of any division. Now, I will explain the difference between division and modulus operator to you all using an exercise in the next video. All right, bye-bye for now. I hope you all enjoyed it.